Hi students, today I'll discuss with chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Okay, that is a HVZ reaction, Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction. Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction. Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction. So in brackets it is called as a HVZ reaction. Very important. Okay, generally in organic chemistry, named reactions are very important. You have to remember this one. This is a HVZ reaction. The full form of HVZ reaction, it is a Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction. This reaction, it is responsible for the reactivity of, it is a alpha hydrogen. It is very important, my dear students. For example, see here. Suppose CH3, CH2, C double bond O and OH. Okay, so this is a carboxylic acid group. This is alpha carbon. This is a beta carbon. Okay, so these two are alpha hydrogens. It is beta hydrogens. In presence of first condition, it is in presence of red phosphorus plus X2. Red phosphorus, we will take, it is a small amount of red phosphorus. It is very important, small amount of red phosphorus, where X is equal to, it is a chlorine and bromine only. X is equal to chlorine and bromine. It is very important. What happened here? So previous class we have discussed this one. It is a, suppose carboxylic acid is a react with PCl3 or it is a PCl5 or it is a very important. Okay, my dear students, now it is very simple. Okay, according to PUC, no need to this one, it is a X, it is this one, and second one on hydrolysis, it is a H2O. Second one on hydrolysis, you will get one alpha hydrogen is replaced by halogen, that is equal to, it is a CH3, CH, it is a halogen, C double bond, okay, COOH, it is a alpha halo carboxylic acid. Alpha halo carboxylic acid. This is the preparation of, it is a carboxylic acid, or the properties of carboxylic acid react with red phosphorus. Okay, in red phosphorus and halogen, where X is equal to chlorine and bromine. After then on hydrolysis, you will get alpha halo carboxylic acid. It is very important, my dear students. Okay, in competitive, okay, in it is a PU exam, this is very important. They are not mentioned, it is a Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction. Sometimes they are mentioned, it is a HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction is the property of carboxylic acid. That carboxylic acid must be contains, it is a alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen, there is no HVZ reaction. That's all. So this is okay. This is the preparation of, it is a alpha halo carboxylic acid. What is mechanism? This is very important, my dear students. It is a mechanism. See, all of you, it is very important. First of all, it is a CH3, CH2, C double bond O. It is a O, it is H. Very important, my dear students. See, all of you, each oxygen contains one lone pair. This is very important. In presence of, it is a PX3. In presence of, it is a PX3. Very important. First of all, how to form PX3? That is the phosphorus react with the X2. You will get PX3, or it is a PX5. Okay, PX5, or maybe it is a SOCl2, thionyl chloride. Previous video We know this one, it is a, when carboxylic acid react with the px3, when carboxylic acid it is react with the px5, like it is a phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, or sulfonate or thionyl chloride. Which reaction it is takes place, my dear students? So now it is a initially, okay, OH is replaced by, it is a X, very important. That is a, see here, it is a CH3, CH. Okay, next one, it is a C double bond O. Next, it is a X. Very important, my dear students. It is a H. I hope it is a, all the students are understood this one. This compound is formed. After then, what happened here, my dear students? Okay, so on tautomerism, okay, tautomerism. See here. So it is a, these two electrons, okay, these two electrons are shifting to oxygen. Okay, already oxygen contains, it is a two lone pairs. These also shifting here. What happened after then? So this bond is shifting to here. Then it is H plus attacking here only. This is the tautomerism. I think you know what is tautomerism? The transfer of proton from one atom to another atom. You will get this compound. Very important, my dear students. That is a CH3, CH double bond, CH double bond. It is a C. It is a O lone pair. It is lone pair. It is a H. Next one, it is a X. It is very important. This is a enol compound. Enol. Okay, it is double bond. It is alcohol. It is a enol compound. Next one, what happened, my dear students? See here. Okay, in presence of water molecule, I told clearly. First thing, it is a red phosphorus with oxygen. Second one, it is a water molecule. If you take here, it is a water molecule. I will write here only. It is a oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. It is a two lone pairs are there. Very important, my dear students. Now it is a very important. Okay, sorry, not water molecule here. If you take, it is a X2. That is a X and X. My dear students, in presence of, it is a this pi electrons. So in presence of pi electrons, it is a, these two electrons are gained by, it is a negative charge. Next one, it is a positive charge. These two pi electrons involved in the bond formation in between here only. This is very important. Next one, what happened here? Okay, it is very important. Next one, it is a, I think it is a, these two electrons are shifting now. Then it is going back. Okay, so it is eliminated as a H plus. What is the product, my dear students? It is a CH3, CH, it is X, single bond C, double bond O, it is a X. My dear students, okay, so it is very important. Now it is a, it undergoes, it is a hydrolysis, it is H2O, very important. Now it is a, see, it is a oxygen, okay, hydrogen, hydrogen. It is two lone pairs are there. It is X is the good living group. That is a, these two electrons, already two lone pairs are there. These two electrons are shifting here. Carbon acquires, it is a partially positive charge. Then, okay, so it is a, then it is a, is very important, my dear students. This is attacking here only, and it is a back bonding. Okay, so X, it is eliminated, it is good living group. It is very important. This group is attacking here only. Then it is a CH3, CH, okay, it is X. Next one, it is a C double bond O, C double bond O. Next one, it is a O, it is plus hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, next one, what happened here? Okay, it is very important. These electrons are shifting here only. It is eliminated as a H plus. What is the product, my dear students? It is a CH3, CH, it is X, and C double bond O, it is a OH. Very important. This is the final product, my dear students. Okay, once again I'll explain here. It is the mechanism. First of all, it is a, this is react with the PX3. How to form this one? Initially, phosphorus react with X2, you will get PX3. Now it is a in presence of carboxylic acid react with the phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus pentachloride. So it is a OH is replaced by it is a Cl or X. So this compound is formed. And then on tautomerism, very important. So these electrons are shifting here, pi bond in between carbon, carbon. These okay, first of all these electrons are shifting. Okay, this bond is shifting. It is H plus attacking here only. Okay, on tautomerism you will get this compound. Next one, in presence of X2. This okay. So now it is a actually this is a non-polar. In presence of it is a pi electrons. Two poles are developed. It is a minus charge and a plus charge. This is attacking here only. These two electrons involved in the bond formation in between carbon and okay, halogen. Next one, this compound is formed. Okay, so here one H is eliminated. This H and X minus HX. I forgot this one. It is a minus HX. Then what happened here? Water molecules attacking here only. That is water molecule here. So these electrons are shifting here only. X is the good leaving group. That is halogens are good leaving group. Now it is a water molecule, two lone pairs and H. One lone pair involved in the bond formation in between carbon and oxygen. This compound is formed. Then what happened here? These two electrons are shifting to oxygen. It is eliminated as a minus H plus. Finally, you will get alpha halo carboxylic acid. That's all. So this is the okay HVZ reaction. Next one, it is a electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Substitution reactions. It is very important, my dear students. Okay, now it is a electrophilic substitution reactions. See here. Okay, it is a benzoic acid. It is very important. Okay, it is a pi bond, pi bond, pi bond. It is a C double bond O. Okay, very important. Double bond O and O. It is H. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. It is a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay, due to the presence of so it occurs. It is a due to the presence of COOH. It undergoes. It is a minus R, minus resonance or a minus M effect. That's why it is a what we observed here. It is a due to the presence of COOH, ring is deactivated because of these electrons are it is attracted by this group only. Okay, like that. It is a attracted. Now it is a total ring is deactivated. It is very very important. So here it is a meta directing group. Okay, so plus on nitrogen, it is very very important. On nitration, nitration means it is a concentrated HNO3 1:1 ratio. Concentrated HNO3, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 1:1 ratio. That is called as a nitration mixture. Nitration mixture, it is produce NO2 plus. It is a electrophile. It is very very important. NO2 plus electrophile. So it is NO2 group attacking here only. You will get this one. Okay, pi bond. It is a COOH. It is a NO2. Okay, it is a meta nitro. It is a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Very important. Meta nitro benzoic acid. So this is the nitration. It is very very important. Similarly, suppose it is a it is very very important, my dear students. Okay, next one, it is a COOH in presence of it is a halogenation in presence of it is a FeBr3. FeBr3, same thing is happened. You will get this reaction. That is a COOH. Next one, it is a Br. it is a M bromo. It is a M bromo benzoic acid. M means it is a meta benzoic acid. It is very important. Okay, next one. Suppose in same reactant it undergoes, it is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction means it is a alkylation. Okay, alkylation or acylation. Okay, alkylation or acylation. There is no reaction. Why? It is very, very important. Only two reactions are there for it is a electrophilic substitution reactions of it is a carboxylic acid. Okay, why it is a the electrophile is attacking on meta group due to minus R and minus I effect, negative resonance effect or negative mesomeric effect. So now it is a due to the presence of COOH group, not only COOH group, that is a cyanide, okay, or nitro group, NO2 group, it is a NO2 group, or it is a cyanide group. Okay, these all are responsible for it is a minus R and minus M effects. Due to the presence of any one group is present, that benzene ring is activated. That means these two electrons are it is involved in the resonance to okay upward group. That's why. So this one now it is a nitration NO2 plus. It is the electrophilic substitution reaction. In the presence of COOH, NO2 group attacking on only meta position. Same thing, it is a Br plus 3. Okay, so it is a Br plus, it is a, this is the electrophile attacking on only meta position. But in Friedel-Crafts reaction, maybe acylation or it is a alkylation, there is no reaction takes place because of it is a, in Friedel-Crafts, suppose if you take it is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, I'll write here only. Very important, my dear students. Okay, now it is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, maybe it is a alkylation. Okay, alkylation. Okay, or acylation. Anyone does not take place. It is very, very important. Suppose what happened here? In case if you take alkylation, it is a CH3, it is a Cl plus AlCl3. AlCl3 gives rise to. Now it is a CH3 plus, it is electrophile. Okay, plus AlCl4 minus. My dear students, it is electrophile. Electrophile, suppose if you take it is a benzoic acid. This is the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid electrophile attacking here only because of all the electrons are up okay, in benzoic acid group. That's why alkylation and acylation does not take place for it is a benzoic acid.